In this lecture, we will discuss about the basic instructions that are being used for PLC programming. So first real instruction is examine if closed. It is represented by XIC instruction. So what it do? Suppose if any input device is on, means any sensor is on. On means it means the contact is closed. Then the corresponding bit of the memory will be set. It will be become set means it will become 1, and if any switch is closed, it means it will pass the signal from the left side to the right side. So energy will flow from left side to the right hand side. uh, in case of the condition when it is set to false, means the input device is off, then this bit will be set to false, and in that case it will block the energy. Then it will block the energy. So it is called XIC instruction that is used for PLC programming. The second instruction is examine if open. So this instruction is used to check if the input device is off or open. Now if any device is off or open, then the corresponding bit in the data memory will be set. And if it will be set means the switch will be then it will allow the energy to flow from left side to the right side. And if it is on, and if examine if open bit is on, then if it is set to false, then it will block the energy. So it is opposite to XIC instruction. XIU instruction is opposite to the XIC instruction. Further, we can understand these instructions using this diagram. In this, we can see if the input device is on or closed, right? In that case, energy will flow from the left side of the wrench to the right side. Now, in the another case, if input is off, means it is open, then energy is blocked. So this instruction basically is representing how XIC instruction works, and this portion is identifying how examine if open instruction works. Now it is represented by this symbol. If this symbol is there, normally close switch. This is the symbol of normally close switch. If input is off or open, then energy will flow, right? If input is on or closed, then energy will be blocked. So we can say this is doing the opposite function of this, right? The difference is between the symbol that we are using like this. If there will be cross sign, then it will be examine if open command, and if it is like this, then it will be examine if closed command. So you have to see this very carefully. Similarly, we have basic output instructions. One is your output energize, and second is negative output energize. So these again are both instructions that are works opposite to each other. So in output energize, if the condition of the left link of the uh, output energize is on, then corresponding output bit data bit memory is set. Means if it is represented by this symbol, if here this condition is true, if it is on, means there is 1, then data memory will be set, means it will become 1, and device connected to the that output will get turned on, it will be energized, and it will be controlled through the OTE instruction. Now in case of negative output energize, if the condition of the left link of the OT is off, here it was left link of OT is on, here we are having if the left link of OT is off, means this negative output energized is working as opposite to the output energized instruction, right? If the left link of the OT is off, then the output bit will be set, and the output device connected will get energized. So these instructions, both instruction will work in the opposite way. Two important output instructions are there, that is OTL, output latch, that is also called output set, and output unlatch, that is also called output reset instructions. These are again opposite instructions. latch means if any input condition on the left link of OTL is momentarily on, means for the some time, for some moments it is on, then the corresponding bit of the output data memory will be set, and it will remain set if the condition even if the condition switches to the off state. If suddenly some switch becomes momentarily it becomes on, then output will be set to 1 and it will remain 1 if we close that switch also, right? That is called output latch condition. If we are doing a latch, then to remove that momentarily on condition, to remove the effect, we have to use output unlatch instruction. So the output unlatch instruction, in output this instruction, it will remain set until the condition of left link of output unlatch is momentarily on. After that, OTL instruction will lose its latch operation. So these are various output symbols. We have used output energize instruction. For that we use this type of symbol, and negative output energize, that is represented by this symbol. We will put a slash in between. This is the OTE instruction, then it will become NOE instruction. Similarly, for representing output latch instruction, we have to write L in between this output instruction, and for unlatching we have to write U for unlatch to represent the unlatching operation.